In this video, I will show you how to add calendar link in email on Mailchimp. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply create your campaign. So I'm gonna name it test. And then what I'm gonna have to do next is simply go to the landing page. So you're gonna have to simply go, as you can see here in the content section. So you're gonna have to simply go and click on design email, and I'm gonna choose one of these templates. And as you can see on the design step, click a text content block to edit it and insert the event URL you copied from your calendar to link to and highlight it. Click the link icon in the toolbar. So you're gonna have to simply select the text, and then you're gonna have to click here the link. And as you can see, you have here different options. So you have web, email, phone, file, survey, and landing page. Now, as you can see in the insert or edit link pop-up model, click the drop-down menu and choose web address. And then you're gonna have to simply enter the click-through link in the web address URL. So right here, and then simply click save, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.